Clicking on Discord but nothing happens. If Discord won't open on Windows 11, you're definitely not alone. This issue can happen because of corrupted cache files, background processes, or software conflicts. The good news is that there are several easy fixes you can try. Let's get Discord up and running again. First, Discord may already be running in the background. Open Task Manager and look for any Discord processes. End those tasks completely, then try launching Discord again. Next, right-click the Discord shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives Discord elevated permissions that can help bypass launch issues. Corrupted cache files are a common reason Discord refuses to open. Clearing Discord's cache forces the app to create fresh files the next time it launches. Make sure Windows 11 is fully updated. System updates often include fixes for compatibility issues that can affect apps like Discord. In some cases, antivirus software may prevent Discord from launching. Temporarily disable your security software or add Discord to the allowed list, then test the app again. If Discord still won't open, uninstall it completely and download the latest version. A clean installation often fixes problems caused by corrupted files or failed updates, and that's how to fix Discord not opening on Windows 11. By ending background tasks, clearing cache files, and reinstalling the app if needed, you can usually solve the issue in just a few minutes. So yeah, hopefully you're back to chatting and gaming without any problems. Thanks for watching.